College Huni Fibro, kane kalong kajing tip nam ta gitu, kiba kwa ban pep kelas B.Ed, kabade po PGT bat Saint Mary's College. Tahabade bat ka kelas kabade po PGT, College of Teacher Education PGT Shillong, nam ta ka B.Ed Course, kaba arts nam. Te ningkong piaban apply online shua, piab lej po ka website jong ka PGT hi, ka website ka teng jong ka website kane ngala danang ning sabu kalingru ctepgtshillong.com. Te pila ban lej haka nega website nasabu po description sa page tenda pila lej haka ne bade bisa lej hane admission 2024 admission notice and instruction da lej yang tu ne gila don kijing batai hang ne admission notice instruction for filling up form kane ka form ban pendap kalau don ki option hang tu te shua ban pendap gitu pia pulih shua gini ki notice bar instruction filling up te dengan peni yang ne kumno ka admission notice kabede bat kane ka PGT college admission notice 2 years B.Ed program semester academic session 2024-2026 admission form will have to be filled through online mode with effect from 1st to 17 May 2024 nadu shitarik hadu khanyu tarik tumrai Mei arjar psau pihak ban pendap online shua select submit offline pada support college. After submission of online form, the applicant are to be download the blank form and print. Pihak download dia blank form bersa print sependap pada. The downloaded form are to be duly filled and submitted to the college. Ia katakan download form, pihak pendap select submit ke college. Nadu shitarik hadu khanyo apa yang kini kita rek. Pihak mai submit nadu ka khadwai baje step hadu saw baje janmit attach along with the attested copies of mark sheet certificate from matriculation onward including CUET scorecard. Pihak don kam ya kane ka CUET scorecard and caste tribal certificate if applicable. Kan mau ki don kam ya ka CUET scorecard nakamanta ka namta kane ka course B.Ed. Upon submission a processing fee of 500 ndala submit pila submit sipo office pihak siu pada sanspa tingka syak college office sanspa tingka mam. Nada kambiang kinom shame nada kambiang kin sa shame pada submission of incomplete form without necessary document will be rejected. Nada kambiang kin sa reject. Criteria for issue admission form. CUET pass. Kinundon ka scorecard is to be attached along with application form. Bachelor and master degree pass. General category tu ladap ai hangne arts science and commerce most of them 50% and above. SC ST arts science and commerce most of them 45% and above in bachelor and master degree. Counseling for CUET qualified candidate will be notified later. Di ka counseling date pada kin sa pentip hadin. Kan mau ya kane don comeback ban pass ya ka CUET. Ngana pe hangne ka instruction ka CUET scorecard kadai compulsory kane instruction la don phap pe shua komno pandap ke jing don kam highway kane dengan sepeni hangne kan po ya ka step number 9 have de bat ka CUET Terada phim appear ka CUET kemud ba phinom yo ban apply nam tagine. Fill up the detail regarding the candidate CUET paper name and score compulsory. Kemud ba da phim lek tho ekane ka exam akane ka intern exam CUET kemud ba phinom yo ban apply nam ta kane ka post B.Ed nakamanta kane ka kelas B.Ed kepada PGT. Kan mau menta ka long baik compulsory kane ka CUET. Lada pila ada ban appear am taka CUET te sependap iki CUET paper score kumta terter te qualification ke baro sa submit lab submit sa download itu ka blank form sependap sa lek biang show office pendap submit ki dokumen e baro sa sius ka pisa te sa apa de ya ka tarik counseling te kane ka link kane ka e baro ang sabu apo ka description te sa check nam takne. Habede bat ka Saint Mary's College Teacher of Education habede berkenepat important notice common university entrance test CUET score is required don kam baj mo hangne apo Saint Mary's apo PGT ro so don kam hangne don kam at Saint Mary's College of Teacher Education for female applicant tak kam tai kenthai for admission into the 2-year B.Ed course under semester system 2024-26 after the declaration of current CUET result PG. The applicants who are interested to do B.Ed kindly submit the CUET score immediately and collect the admission form on 1/5/2024 Wednesday from the office of Saint Mary's College of Teacher Education. Detailed information will be put up in May 2024. Te itu kibala appear am taka CUT te kila ban ada kwa ban puli B.Ed hapo Saint Mary's College of Teacher Education pila ban le kabron kam tekin sa ai ki form nado shitarik mui arjarap sau tenam tag jingtip bakhamnia kin sabu ki jingbetip hapo detailed information will be put up on May 2024. Kin sa pentip badah anu tersebut hau bunai May hi arjarap sau te tangi ne ki jingbetip khule shubun.